Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Right now we are standing in front of the Bradford series built by Silvercrest. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a detached garage. This deck is this garage with the deck on top does have ocean views. We're going to save that for last. You're going to want to check out this Kingsbrook. If you want to see other videos, check out our channel. If you're interested in being more educated on manufactured housing, then hit the subscribe button. We hope you enjoy the tour of this manufactured home. As you can see, this is a nice open floor plan. Has beautiful flooring, a nice ceiling fan. It's nice and open. Hardwood cabinets, quartz countertops. Look at that sparkle. The backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. Look at all these windowsills. They are wood windowsills. That's something, these are really, you notice that these windows go very low to the ground. It allows a lot of natural light in. All right, we'll take one last look. Look at that sparkle on that quartz countertop. That's beautiful. Stainless steel appliances. All right, we're gonna go down the hall here into the guest bathroom. That's white quartz. Again, sorry for the poor lighting. We get the lights just go out on us. Tell us what you think about this home. We love to hear your thoughts. We appreciate if you like this video, even if you think it's just okay. Tell us what your favorite things are. In the description of this video, we will also show you links to other manufactured homes in this community, as well as link to the video of the clubhouse, and more homes available. We also do a drive-through of this home. All right, these floors, I really love this color of the floor. It's a distressed laminate waterproof flooring. We do this in all our homes in San Diego and Orange County. I should say most of them. Look at that beautiful crown molding, 9-foot flat ceilings. Again, look at all this natural light. It's in the evening here, so we're losing daylight, but you could get an idea for how much natural light there is. Now, one thing that's really cool about this home, this master bathroom has a closet here, and then the bedroom has another closet there, and it is bigger than it looks, I promise you. All right, now look at this tile shower. It is a 60-inch walk-in shower. It's beautiful. Overhead storage. All right, well, that concludes this addition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We hope you enjoyed this Silvercrest home. Oops, I almost forgot to take you to the best part of this home. Here is the garage, but you're gonna love the rooftop deck. This is a beautiful one-car garage. If you're interested in learning more about the home, check the description. Look at this large patio area. Now, as we go up to the top, let's see. This beautiful patio area. You get a lot of privacy. Now let's go to the best part. You're gonna love this. Look at this nice, beautiful view. There's Troop Dog. See the patio? And now, look at that. Right there is the ocean. We provide you links to floor plans, tours, and so much more. We hope you enjoyed this tour with Troop Dog and the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.